Yo, good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. Welcome back to the crypto world, everybody. It's me, Rich Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Cardano in another ADA or ADA, because ADA is spelled ADA and ADA is the short form of Cardano on Binance. How you guys can buy it. Alright, so let me show you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And Cardano is a crypto, so let me show you guys how you guys can buy that. First step is you want to go to Binance.com, log in into your account, then go on trade and go on classic over here. Now once you do that, on the search part over here, you want to search for ADA. The short form of Cardano is ADA. It shows ADA/BNB, ADA/USDT, ADA/BUSDT, all this option, which means which currency you guys are going to use to buy ADA. For ADA/BNB, I'm going to be using BNB to buy ADA. For ADA/USDT, I'm going to be using USDT to buy ADA. So you want to click on the option which you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use USDT. I'm going to click on ADA/USDT. Once I scroll a bit down, I can go on market, which means I'm going to be buying ADA on the market price, which means the current ADA price. And I can enter the number of ADA I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 4 ADA. After that, I can just click on 4 and basically my ADA will be bought. So that's basically how you guys can buy ADA. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. In another one, how you guys can buy, Cardano. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video, and I will see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and it's Richie Kevin signing out. Don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Binance.